Oh, sheet! It's time for dinner.
All right, here we go. Sheet pan meal with chicken, potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Little olive oil. Throw our diced potatoes on there. Top them off with some roasting rub. So we're gonna have rosemary potatoes. Yummy. Now for Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts get the same little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to throw on Moroccan twist with all of its fun, unique flavors of cardamom and cinnamon and allspice. Make sure you get it all in there. Now we slice a lemon nice and thin so that it's foldable because we're going to wrap it inside the chicken. Seasoning the chicken with our steakhouse seasoning. Get it all over both sides. Nice, good coverage on there. Then we take the leaves off of our thyme and just put it inside the chicken. You can use the stem if you want to take it out, but the idea is to just leave it in there and let it, completely perfume the meat while it's cooking. And we're going to roll up all 4 of these and pop it in the oven. Steakhouse chicken, Moroccan twist Brussels sprouts, and rosemary roasting rub on the potatoes. There we go. Ta-da! It's amazing. Enjoy. Get shopping now, okay? SauceGoddess.com.